myself guilty, try to be true. So hard and I'm healthy, I turn right to do cry. Now I'm trying to get paid before the cool down and out and giving me my best days. Nothing to be shocked, knock you off no rate yet. Always sing you till my turn. You sing some my little song, but I won't hear. So say no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Ooh, ooh. You open up your mind and still like me. Open up your plan and dream you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We just one big family, and this our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I want him, so say no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. Is short, this is our fate. I'm yours. Who's confident here, and I will never do here. Yeah, I'm yours. I've heard a sprain of which I want to keep my tongue in the mirror and doubting over back just to try to get a cleaver, but my breath fell at the glass. So I drew me fast on a light. I guess what I'm saying is there and to be the reason. The rituals of vanity with decent intuition is what we am to do. Our name is our virtue. I'm sure there's no need to come forget our time is sure.